What's up, everyone? I am back with a brand new video. So there are tons of methods to create your AI models, and most of them are paid, such as Higgsfield wave speed or using ComfyUI workflows if you don't have a high amount of GPU RAM. In this video, I will be creating an AI model entirely for free, even with better quality than those platforms, and I will show you every step. So let's get into the process. To do this, we need to use ComfyUI Cloud Server and sign up with our Gmail. You can basically open any browser, search for it, and you will be able to sign up. After that, as you can see, you will be provided with bonus credits, which can easily be increased by using multiple accounts. So on this platform, you can use almost every model, such as Nano Banana Pro, Seedream, Kling Motion Control, and many others. Now, I am going to show you the process of creating my AI model and how I get realistic and consistent results without LoRa training. So let me grab a quick example picture of any girl from Pinterest. Let's search for Instagram model. Yeah, I can choose this one. Now I will head over to ChatGPT and ask for a prompt. There we go. Copy this prompt and paste it into Nano Banana Pro. First, let's bypass the image upload nodes. We don't need them. Set the aspect ratio to 3:4, and that's it. Let's run it. As you can see, we already have a pretty impressive result here. Now, I will head over to the skin enhancement tool to make this girl more realistic by adding more details to her face. Click here to open the templates bar. Search for skin enhancement. Yeah, there it is. Now here we need to remove these nodes, they are unnecessary, and let's connect the image node to the model itself. So let me show you how to use this model correctly. First, upload your girl's image, then click on Enter Subgraph. Here, take a screenshot of the workflow and send it to ChatGPT with the image of your girl to get a prompt. Now copy and paste these positive and negative prompts into your workflow. Go back and hit the Run button. After a couple of minutes, your image will be ready. Yeah, there is a nice difference between the first image from Nano Banana Pro and this image after enhancement. Facial details really make a big difference in your content when you use models like Kling or Wan to create your videos. The higher the image quality, the more realistic your video will be. So let me show you how we can make nice content with this image. First, I want to make some adjustments to the image. By adjustment, I mean slightly changing the proportions. To do that, you can use Grok Image Edit or Seedream, which are uncensored models. Drop your image here and type the prompt. There it is. Now we can create our video much better. Go to Templates, search for Kling Motion Control, and open it. Now upload your image here and your TikTok video here. Make sure to delete the prompt, and now click Run. There it is. Let's watch it. It is okay if the reference video was better, it would be nicer. I just wanted to show you how it works. To get the best result, it is better to match your image with the first frame of the video. I didn't do that here, but it makes a big difference. Now, the most important part, as I mentioned in previous videos, is how to make money with this. Set up your phone first and activate your proxy. You can get it for around $5 to $10 per month. Maybe even cheaper, but check your IP risk before activating your accounts. Most cheap proxy providers are selling overused proxies, and many of them are already banned on social media platforms. After buying your proxy, go to your device and set it up, then activate Always On VPN settings. Use Gmail or Outlook to create your accounts, or if you have one, you can use a United States SIM card. Why United States? Most of the traffic comes from there. After that, warm up your account. Upload some videos, and after reaching a couple of thousand followers, put your Telegram link in your bio. Your funnel should be like social media platform, then Telegram, then fan view. Recently, Instagram is banning accounts that directly use Link Me to fan view funnel types, so avoid that. After that, set up your fan view, verify your ID, and upload some pictures to get more messages and start making money. That's it from this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe. And also, if you want to be part of this journey with support, you can join my Discord server. It is brand new, and I will be creating fresh workflows, sharing my tips and methods for free. See you in the next video.